Welcome everyone. I am Dr. Shavez Ali Siddiqui from Lucknow, Department of Mathematics, Khwaja Mainuddin Chishti Language University. Today we will discuss some more definitions of matrices. Last lecture I discussed up to matrix in skew symmetric matrix, symmetric matrix, orthogonal matrix, and so on. Today we will continue these definitions. The next definition is Hermitian matrix. In Hermitian matrix, a square matrix A is equal to the Aij m cross n is said to be Hermitian matrix if its conjugates of its transpose of matrix A is equal to itself. That is, a to the power theta is equal to the A or Aij is equal to the minus Aji bar for all values of Ij. And the diagonal elements is for diagonal elements. You know diagonal elements. It means last lecture we were discussed diagonal elements A11, A22, A33 up to so on. This is the diagonal elements. In square matrix A, this is the diagonal elements. So for diagonal elements, put I is equal to the j. Put I is equal to the j. It means that Aii is equal to the minus Aii bar. So let this number Aii is equal to the x plus iy, and implies that Aii bar is equal to the x minus iy. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Put these equations in above. Put these equations in above. Aii is equal to the minus Aii is equal to the Aii is equal to the Aji bar. So here this is Aii is equal to the A bar ii. A bar ii, and here Aii is x plus iy and A bar ii is x minus iy. So here x is cancelled out. It means that implies that iy plus iy is equal to the 0. 2iy is equal to the 0. 2iy is equal to the 0. Iy is equal to the 0 implies that y is equal to the 0. Put y is equal to the 0 in equation first and equation second. So y is equal to 0 in equation first. Equation first is Aii is equal to the x plus iy and Aii bar is equal to the x minus iy. So we have Aii is equal to the x plus 0. It means x, and Aii bar is equal to the x minus 0. It means x. So we have, so the conclusion is that the conclusion is that in Hermitian matrix all the diagonal elements are wholly real. It means this X is real number. So the conclusion is that in Hermitian matrix, comma all the in Hermitian matrix, comma all the in Hermitian matrix, comma all the diagonal elements, all the diagonal elements are wholly real. So in Hermitian matrix, two conclusions that first is the condition a to the power theta is equal to the a fulfilled, and also the second condition is the diagonal elements. It means that all the diagonal elements are wholly real. For example, the matrix A is equal to the matrix A is equal to the 1, 3 plus I, then 3 minus I, then 0, and then 3 plus I, 1, 3 plus I, 3 minus I, 2, and 5I, 2, 5I, then minus I, and then minus 5I, and then 0. This is the matrix in Hermitian matrix. Now we check this matrix. First we find A dash. A dash means transpose of the matrix A. A dash means transpose of the matrix A. We check this matrix. We check this matrix is Hermitian. We check this matrix is Hermitian or not. So first we find A dash. A dash means transpose of matrix A. 1, then 3 plus I, then I, and 3 minus I, then 2, then 5I, then minus 1, then minus 5I, then 0. Now A dash bar. Now A dash bar is, it means that A dash bar is A to the power theta is equal to the, this is 1, conjugate of 1 is 1. This is 3 minus I, conjugate of 3 minus I is 3 plus I. Then minus 1 is conjugate minus 1, then 3 plus I is conjugate 3 minus I, then 2 is conjugate is 2, then minus 5 is conjugate 5I, then I is conjugate minus I, then 5I is conjugate minus 5I, then 0 is conjugate 0. So we tally this. This is A to the power theta. It means that A is A is this matrix, given matrix, and A to the power theta is this matrix. Now we see that all the matrix A and A to the power theta are equal. So implies that a to the power theta is equal to the a, and also we see that in diagonal elements 1 2 0, 1 2 0 is a real number, wholly real number. It means wholly real number means all the diagonal elements are real. So all the diagonal elements are real. Hence this matrix, matrix A is Hermitian matrix. Hence matrix A is Hermitian matrix. This is the definition of Hermitian matrix, and also give one examples. And next definition is skew Hermitian matrix. And next definition is skew Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian matrix. In a square matrix, A is said to be skew Hermitian matrix if the conjugate transpose of matrix A is equal to the negative of itself. This is known as the skew Hermitian matrix. For example, so we write this definition: in square matrix A, is said to be skew Hermitian matrix. Skew Hermitian matrix if the conjugate transpose of matrix A is equal to the negative of itself. This is the skew Hermitian matrix. That is a to the power theta. That is a to the power theta is equal to the minus a, or a ij is equal to the minus a j I bar, minus a j I bar. This is the definition of skew Hermitian matrix. And in skew Hermitian matrix, here diagonal elements, we see that the diagonal elements. So we see that the diagonal elements. So we write for diagonal elements. Put I is equal to the j. You know diagonal elements. Here diagonal elements A11, A22, A33, A44 up to so on ANN. So here we put AI is equal to j, and implies that AII is equal to the minus AII bar. Put, it means let AII is equal to the x plus IY. So conjugate of AII, it means that AII bar is x minus IY. So we put in above we put in above it means that x plus iy is equal to the minus x minus iy. X plus iy is equal to the minus x plus iy. Here iy is cancelled out, so we have x plus x equal to 0. It means that 2x equal to 0 implies that x equal to 0. Put x is equal to the 0 in above equations. Put x is equal to the 0 in above equations. Put x is equal to the 0 in aii is equal to the x plus iy. It means 0 plus iy. It means iy. And aii bar is equal to the x minus iy is equal to the 0 minus iy. It means minus iy. So we have in diagonal elements of skew Hermitian matrix, are either zero or purely imaginary So this is the definition of skew Hermitian matrix. And also in conclusion is that in skew Hermitian matrix, two types of conclusion. First is a to the power theta is equal to minus a, condition is satisfied. And also all the diagonal elements of skew Hermitian matrix either 0 or purely imaginary. Thank you.